Class 11th A, Chapter 1st, some basic concept of chemistry. Universe. Universe consists of matter and energy. Matter. The entire universe is made up of matter and energy. Matter, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter हमें कैसे नजर आता है? Matter classified into two groups: physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification can be classified into three groups: solid, liquid and gases. Solids. Solids has a definite shape and definite volume. So they are rigid character, they are hard and rigid. Matter is made up of particles. The particles are closely packed. Empty spaces between the particles are very small. The attractive force among particles called interparticle forces are strong in solids. So, solids show rigid character. In liquid, the particles are loosely packed and empty space between them are relatively large. Due to the loose packing, the attractive force between them are relatively weak. So liquid have definite volume but do not have fixed shape. They take shape according to their container. So liquid have special characteristics is the fluidity. In gases, the particles are very loosely packed and empty space between them are very large. As a result, the attractive force between the particles are very small, so that their movement is easy and fast. So gases do not have fixed shape and volume, so they show compressible in nature. When we are applying pressure on gas like LPG gas, compress up to 14.2 liter in a gas cylinder. Second, chemical classification. Chemical classification further classified into pure substance and mixture. Pure substances, that means an element is pure substance which contain only one kind of atoms. An element can neither be broken into simpler substance nor built from simpler substance by any method. Copper, silver, gold, these are the pure substances. O2, oxygen, nitrogen, pure substances in a molecular form. N2, Cl2, O3, these are pure substances, but they having homogeneous in nature. O2, same type, same kind of element in formed in homogeneous. Homogeneous, that means similar element joined together to form homogeneous mixture. O2, N2, H2, Cl2, Br2, O3. These are the example of homogeneous substances. Pure substances can be classified into element and compound. An element like sodium element, potassium element, copper element, silver, iron, gold, etc. contain single atom, whereas other two or more atoms of same element combine to give molecule of element oxygen, nitrogen, ozone. Non-metal element can be classified into three groups: metal, non-metal and metalloids. Metal, although show characteristics: conduct electricity, heat, ductile, malleable, lustrous, sonorous property. Mercury is a metal, exists in a liquid. For example, copper, silver, iron, gold, these are the example of metal. Metal having high melting point and boiling point, good conductor of heat and electricity. All of these metals conduct electricity. For example, sodium, potassium, rubidium, iron, gold, etc. These are metals. Non-metals, they exist in all three states. Poor conductor of heat and electricity, brighter in nature, non-lustrous, those are non-metals. Carbon, bromine, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen. These are non-metals. They may be solid, liquid or gases. Metallites, those substances which show both metal and non-metal character, like antimony, tin, arsenic, bismuth are metallites. Those are the elements which have property of metal as well as non-metals. Second is the compound. Compound having one or two more elements joined together to form compound. It may be classified into two groups: organic compound and inorganic compound. Organic compound which are obtained from living organism. So they are organic compounds like carbohydrates, protein, fats. These are the example of organic compound. Organic compound which are obtained from living organism. All these contain carbon. For example, carbohydrates, oils, fats, waxes, protein. First organic compound prepared in laboratory is urea. These are synthetic. We can also obtain synthetically prepared organic compound. These are the inorganic compound which are obtained from non-living organism, non-living sources like rocks and minerals. Example: common salts, marble, gypsum. Under the earth's crust, all compounds are obtained from non-living objects. Inorganic compound like rock salt, washing soda, baking soda, these are the example of inorganic salt. Some inorganic substances like NaCl, rock salt, Na2CO3 into 10 molecule of water, washing soda, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, Na2SO4 into 10 H2O global salt, calcium oxide, quicklime, calcium hydroxide, slag lime, calcium carbonate, marble or limestone, calcium sulfate into twice H2O gypsum, calcium sulfate into half molecule of water, that means plaster of Paris POP, calcium sulfate into 5H2O butyl, magnesium sulfate into 7H2O gypsum. H2SO4 is the king of chemical oil of vitriol. These are the inorganic salt. Please remember and learn these salts.